5 easy back-to-school recipes, from quick dinners to sweet treats, all under 4 minutes. First, air fryer bamban chicken, crispy, juicy, and done in just minutes. Start with chicken breast, seasoned simply for maximum flavor. Then, coat it lightly in flour to get that perfect crunch. Bea loves using cornflakes to make the crunch even better than breadcrumbs. We even made this while camping, so if it works there, it will save you on any busy school night. Don't skip the sauce, it's the most delicious thing you will dip the chicken in. Next, easy and juicy teriyaki salmon. This is a simple teriyaki sauce, sweet, salty, and garlicky. One sauce does it all. Marinate first, then drizzle to serve. Even picky eaters love this one. Sweet, savory, and just so good. Into the air fryer, and in just minutes the salmon is juicy and ready. Next, a refreshing glass noodle salad. Start with a punchy dressing. Garlic, lime, and cilantro bring it to life. A tip from Bea, she doesn't soak the glass noodles. They cook in just minutes and they still end up soft, chewy, and springy. Use the same pot to poach the shrimp. Quick and no extra cleanup. This is a very customizable salad. You can change the protein, for example for chicken, and any veggies that you see you can swap them for the ones that you like. Next, delicious and easy blueberry protein muffins. Whole wheat and oat flour add fiber to keep you full and energized. Yogurt adds protein and makes the muffins soft and tender. We like to use honey to keep them refined sugar-free. These muffins are the perfect back-to-school prep. Bake once and you've got grab-and-go breakfast and snacks all week. Healthy, freezer-friendly, and a total time saver for busy mornings. And for a sweet finish, high-protein strawberry cheesecake cups. This is the back-to-school snack that feels like dessert, but actually keeps you going. It's creamy, strawberry sweet, and packed with protein, the kind of snack you'll actually look forward to. And the best part, you can prep this ahead, so they're waiting in the fridge for busy days. Because let's be real, back-to-school snacks don't have to be boring. Creamy, fruity, and satisfyingly indulgent, but lighter than you would think. There you have it, 5 recipes, all quick, easy, and perfect for busy days. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. We will love to know.